What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
All right, today we're going to be talking about some stocks we wish we never sold. First one up, Home.
Man, I had Home at, I think it was like around $16 to $17. I bought 50 shares just to kind of fill it out or whatever. And it wasn't moving fast enough at all. And I understood that it was a recovery play and it was going to take probably 3 to 6 months. And I wanted to make some fast money, quick money now. And I sold it. I didn't sell it for a loss. I kind of was, it traded sideways for a long time. I think I probably made a good, I don't know, $10. And I was like, this is just moving too slow for me. I need to get out of it. I pivoted to American Airlines, which is another play that I'm in, and it's grown over time. So it's not like I made a bad investment, but look at what's going on with Home. I think Home is sitting around close to $30 right now.
$32.
$32 right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would have been a 2X. If I would have put 10K in that bad boy, my money would be at 20. Yep. Right? If somebody would have put 500,000 in that bad boy, their money would be sitting at $1 million. So just thinking about that is like, sometimes putting a stop loss isn't the best thing. Sometimes taking small profits of 10 to 20% isn't the best way. You should just, hold until it hits your price target. If you think your price target is a 2X, chill and let it sit there. It's going to get there. Just have patience.
No, man, I totally understand that, man. The same thing happened to me with Home. I had 100 shares at about $17.01. It was rising. I might have hit 20, and then I put a stop loss on it at $19, and it sold, and I never got back in it because it sold at 19 and then went back up to like 1980. I low-key be thinking they be manipulating the market when you play stop losses. So I don't do stop losses anymore. If I feel like I have to do a stop loss in the company, I'm not buying it. That's my new philosophy right now because I planned to hold it because I didn't need the money immediately, and I would have doubled up. So with that said, no more stop losses for me.
Yeah, no, I feel you on that, man. It's just hard because it's not like you didn't take profit on it, right?
Yeah, I got
like you made some good money. Like, not gonna lie, okay. So probably made $400, $500 off the play. So stop loss didn't negatively impact you, but you could have doubled up and you would have had a 2K return on your investment. But it is what it is, man. At least you didn't lose anything.
Yeah,
right?
It's annoying though.
Yeah.
And then this one wasn't a stop loss. We're gonna talk about Spirit, SAVE. I bought it as low. I bought it at $22. I bought it at $23.89. I had like 150 shares. Now it's trading around $39 a share. I wish I didn't sell, and I knew better, and I didn't do better.
Yeah, we also had it in our play account for the 10K challenge that we're doing. We're still doing that. It's in the Fidelity account now. But we had 10 shares sitting at $23.75, and we sold it at, I think, $27.95. So we made profit. Mm-hmm. It was a small profit. But, like Chris mentioned, it's sitting, at almost $40.
Yep.
That would have been a for sure home run or a double up, whatever you want to call it. And, hey, man, we took our profits almost 20 to 30%, and we didn't lose anything, but it is what it is.
And we're gonna talk about a stock term today, right? And that's overtrading. That means when you're trading too much, and that's what happens when you overtrade. And I'm a victim of it. I had some euphoria because everything was going green all the time. I'm hearing about plays that are running up. I want to get out of plays and get in those plays. Honestly, man. Like the homie Sleepy Cell said, you only need 2 plays to hit to get rich.
That's right.
And I think now what I'm going to do with my trading strategy, again, I'm going to have, maybe less than 20% of my portfolio is going to be for active trading. But everything else, just longs, man. Just things that I believe in that I can hold at least a year. Then I'll trade them. But, all that overtrading stuff, being in and out of, 10 plays a week, that doesn't really work well, especially when a bear market is on the horizon. So that's just my 2 cents.
Yeah, I mean, another aspect to that is like, hey, there's no reason to overtrade when you can't really time the market, but you also want to get a good cost basis. So it's like either you're going to start off very strong in the beginning with like the lowest cost basis of all time at 500 shares or something like that.
Me and Plug.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. If you would have thrown, threw 100K at that bad boy, you know, that would have done his
I would've
thing.
been out.
Exactly.
Shut the channel down. No, I'm playing.
So, I mean, I definitely took some information from Sleepy Cell. He was like, you know, 6 to 8% on a pullback or 6 to 8% red day. Definitely throw your money. So continue to build out that cash position, and then also invest in companies that are kind of expensive, like your Apples, your Microsoft. There's nothing wrong with that. Then you could do fractional shares of Chipotle if that's what you're into.
Yep.
I thought that was solid advice. So I definitely understand your vibe on the overtrading, and all it is just psychology, because you see people around you, you see people on Instagram posting these big, oh, I just made 100K in a month or whatever it is, or you got somebody doing a challenge that's went from 0 to 100K in a year. So it's like, okay, you want to be a part of that.
Yeah, and just also with that, I mean, you know, you can make some money in the stock market. I don't care whatever market you're in, bear or bull, you'll make money. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, one can say it's a bear market right now, or we're in a correction. Money's gonna be made,
Right?
Because it's gonna eventually switch again. And when they do a secular switch, and I've been buying all the beat up tech stocks, I'm gonna have my day. But what I will say is this, though, right? I mean, I can't go around and say, hey, I can make you 20K off stocks. Because it just depends on you, your temperament as an investor. How much money do you have to spend? How much are you willing to comfortably risk? Because, you know, I can't come up with a plan for you if you're not willing to let the money sit. Because I'm holding some bags over here. I am. And some people might say, see, you know, you're a bull, you got caught, and now your portfolio's down, you know, X amount of dollars. But you got to understand, I'm very green from last year as well. So I have the benefit of playing with house money. And that's what I want everybody to get to. So overall, my message with this, man, have a budgeted amount out of your paycheck you're going to put towards investing. Stack that bad boy up. Don't be buying these 2 shares, 5 shares, 10 shares. Just stack up the money until you can go in, buy 100 shares, 125 shares, something like that.
No, I definitely agree with that approach. And I feel like if you get, you know, you can even start at 50, and because it just depends on what you can get, right?
Yeah.
But definitely if you're getting 125, you can, as the price goes up, you want to take profits, you can sell that 100 and keep the 25. Or you could just take profit on all of it, man.
Yep. Yes, sir. Well, thank you guys for checking out this video. It's your boy, Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy, Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
Let's get it.